What up, guys? I've got another brand new one for you, another tron mining site. So if you want to know if this site is working, if it is really paying or not, stick to this video till the end, because I'll be showing you how to deposit and how you can withdraw and also take some extra advantage of this site. So guys, stick to this video till the end. Let's go. What is up, guys? Welcome again to my YouTube channel, Urban Time, where we make review on money making applications and websites just to bring you guys the best, nothing but the best. But if today is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead and smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified once I upload a brand new updates like this for you to see. So quickly, let's jump into the video. All right, guys, so here we are. We got a brand new one. So quickly, once you get to this page, okay, now before you get to this page, you definitely need to sign up. So there's a link in the description of this video. You can just go down below, click it, and you are good to go. You sign up, put in your number, your email, or and just put in your password. That's all. Then your security password, so you put it in and you are good to go. You have your account, so you can also have access to this page, as you can see. So now what we are going to be doing first of all is to check on the announcement. Let's see what's going on. What's the announcement? Fine, this is what they are telling us. So they are saying their percentage, their return is about 5.5% from the minimum of 5 tron if you deposit 5 tron. So you can go ahead, read what is going on here, and if it is something you want to do, why not? So, but I'm not advising you. I'm not a financial advisor, like I always say. Whatever I'm doing in this video is definitely for tutorials, is educational purposes. So if you want to invest anything, make sure you're doing it at your own risk. So let's go back and let's see. All right, so now what I would like to show you first of all is how to deposit if you want to deposit on this platform, because you need to deposit to activate your withdrawal account. So the minimum is 5 tron, that's what it says. So let's click on deposit, then you go to basic, transfer to basic account. You click here, click on basic account. Yes, once you want to deposit, you come to this page, and the next thing we need to do now is to copy our address. Copy that address. Okay, copied. Then we go to the wallet. Where's my wallet? All right, I have a wallet over here. Go to my wallet, then send. Paste my wallet over here. I'm just going to put like 10 tron. Continue. And confirm it. Put your code, and I think that is it. It's gone. All right, it's gone. Now let's go back to the platform. All right, here we are, and what we need to do now is to click on recharge completed. Yes, that is it. It just got here. Okay, it's gone. Sent. Now all we need to do is click on recharge completed here. Okay, it's been submitted successfully. All right, so now what we do is let's go to mine so we can see if whatever we deposited has reflected. Okay, not yet. Let's wait a bit and see what's gonna happen. Yeah, let's wait and see. Give it a few minutes. All right, we just got that on our balance. It was there, it was written there that it would take like 5 to 10 minutes. So I just got it on my balance. You can see right here it has changed. We now have 87. All right, good. So now let's quickly make withdrawal from this platform. So we should be so that we can be sure that yes, it is paying us. Okay, so now my 5.5% is 0.55. So all I need to do is click here, write 0.55. Then address, I have to copy my address. Trust wallet, come here. Okay, receive. Let's go and receive. Copy. Then we'll go back there and paste it here. Then put in your code. What's my code? Your security password. Click on confirm. Successful. Okay, so we should receive that in our wallet anytime from now. Let's see. Okay, yeah, now it's gone. You can see it's been withdrawn. So it's been withdrawn already. So now we'll wait to get it in our wallet, but meanwhile, let me show you some other way you can quickly take advantage of this is by sharing your referral link. You see, guys, I've always okay, that is it. Good. I think I just got it. You can see I just got it in my wallet right away. All right, so what I want to show you is how you should share your referral link. You see, most of you always think this is a difficult task, but honestly, it's not. It's not a difficult thing to do. All you need to do is copy your referral link over here. Copy your referral link, write a very good message that is going to attract and let people click on your link, and share it with your friends on Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, any of your social media that you are always using. Go ahead, share it, and you are going to receive you're going to get some benefit from that. Like, let's click on team. So let's see how many level they have. Level 1, 2, 3, where you can benefit from. You can always earn from those 3 levels as your downline. So that is that for this video. I think I've shown you the most important things in this video. So if you like what I just showed you and you want to be part of this, there's a link in the description of this video. Go down below, click on it, and you are in. You can start taking advantage of this platform straight away. If you like what I just showed you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell sign so you get notified once I upload a brand new update. So I see you guys in the next video. Bye. Ciao.